Hey friends, I want to tell you about a new project I'm working on called Blush or Blush, Blusher. Le Blushy Magnifique. El Blusha. Just Blush. So Blush is going to be an app and plugin that allows you to play with illustrations and insert them into your creations. So let me give you a walkthrough of how it's going to work. And right now it's just a very early iteration, so it has a lot of bugs, but I think it makes for a good demo. Okay, so with that warning, let's get into it. So let's imagine that you are designing a walkthrough and you want to insert an illustration here. So you can just add a little square here and say like around here is where I want my illustration, and then open the Blush plugin, and then here you can insert an illustration. So for example, you can insert a random illustration of a human. Just like that, really quickly it inserted a scene of a human. And here when you insert an illustration, then you can change different things from it. So for example, on this one, you can change the background, you can change it to a plants one, and oh, apparently the size of it changes. Then the wireframe, for example, or maybe a whiteboard. But yeah, look at that. It's just like really easily, it allows you to just change that. And you can change it to a different one. So if, let's say that instead of a scene, you want it to be just one person. So you can change it to a person and then just like go ahead and start changing other stuff. And you can randomize this. So you can just randomize, I don't like it, I don't like it. And then once you find something that you like, you can go ahead and customize it a little bit more. So for example, you can change it to a hoodie or maybe a jacket. And also you're all going to be able to change other stuff. Just right now, we're not loading that right now because it has a little bug. So yeah, the idea is that you can insert random illustrations super easily, and you can just like customize them and change them as you want, as you need. So for example, on this one, you can change the expressions to anything you want. For example, you can change it to a cyclops, and you can make this cyclops that has some glasses. It's a cyclops with that's a little bit confused, but you can randomize it anytime. Just randomize it and change it. And instead of sitting, I want it to be a standing position, and it just changed to a standing position. And yeah, the idea here too is that this is going to be created by multiple different artists. And let me show you how this is going to look. This is just a design, but this is how the artist tab is going to look. Different artists with different illustrations. A lot of people are already creating different packs, and we're so excited to have people creating modular illustrations. But yeah, this is how they are going to look. Eventually, we also want to allow illustrators to create multiple packs that they can sell. So for example, they create a collection that is called, I don't know, Peeps. And then they want to sell a small subset of glasses or the Halloween package, and it's just more like stickers that you can then later play around with. And this way you can support different illustrators, different artists creating different things, and you can just like, I don't know, it's fun to play around with these things and just use them on your creations. So we're super excited about Blush. We cannot wait for you to test it once there are not a lot of bugs and once we have all the packages. And this is going to be on blush.design. So if you want to be notified when it's out, just go to blush.design and we'll send you an email when it's out and you can test it. So that's it, and hopefully you like the Blush.
El Blusho.
Le Blushy Magnifique. El Blusho. El Blusho. Gracias, bye bye.